Okay, we gotta see the aftermath, right? Of yesterday. Oh, it's unlocked already. Okay. Oh, yeah, here we are. Oh, yeah. Well, it looks like the roofing people are here and they're gonna finish up, hopefully. Poor lady. Yep, they're up there working on her roof. Yeah, you can see, like, if Russ didn't if Russ didn't shovel, he would have had twice as much snow to shovel. There's not really that much on there, out there, but I believe it's supposed to snow again. But here's the aftermath. Look, it's pretty when all you have to do is look at it. But you have to be in it, not so much fun. Okay. So now here's the thing. I gotta go charge my phone. I'm gonna put you in the kitchen because that's where the fast charger is. And, yep. I'll see you on my next break. So, stay warm, be safe, and have a beautiful time. See you in a bit.
2 hours later.
Good afternoon, everybody. Happy lunchtime. I'm going to try. We're experimenting for lunch today. I'm taking some. So, like when you mix mayonnaise and oil and stuff like that. So I'm taking some of my garlic aioli, which Russ really does like. I'm spreading it on a tortilla shell, and I'm gonna put that garlic aioli side down in the heat. My pan heating up here there's a little bit of oil in it because my pan was looking pretty dry. So I put some oil in there, and then once you know when your oil is ready, when it starts to glisten, or chefs glisten like water, like sunshine on a lake or whatever, when it starts to glisten like that. But chefs will tell you when it starts to perform like water, that's what they mean when it starts to shine like that. I said that once in front of my mom and my older brother, and they're like, I don't know what that means. My mom's like, you mean perform like water? It's very sarcastic. I'm sure she's being very funny, but I'm like, yeah, that's exactly what I mean when it performs like water. Anyway, I got a thin layer. It's very good. But don't go kissing people. You know, I didn't know. Garlic has a spice. Whoa, hello. I almost fell over. It's fine. Okay, hold on. Like a little bit of garlic, not so much spice. But many garlic. Like, I don't know how many cloves of garlic I put in that mayonnaise butter. So I started with, how much butter did I start with? I think I melted down half a stick of butter. Oh, I have a message on Facebook. Well, I don't, but what am I trying to say? I don't know. So I have my tortilla shell. It's one of these bigger ones. And I put, you can see, I smeared it all over there. I'm going to put it face down in the pan and put cheese. Hello, stay. Just some shredded. This is the finely shredded cheddar cheese in the middle, and they'll fold it in half like when you're making quesadillas. You make a cheese quesadilla and you put the cheese on half of it and you fold it in half. I'm gonna do like that, and then we're gonna see how, if it like crisps up good and stuff. So, all right, we're all watery here, so we're gonna put that on there. Here we go. A lot of people make grilled cheese with mayonnaise, so I imagine that's kind of what this will do. Alright, and then fold it over. Oh. I'm hoping that it makes it nice and garlicky and crispy. That's what I'm hoping for, so we'll see. I'll show you when it's done. Alright, it's all done. It doesn't take long. What did I just do with my kniffy? Oh, I put it in here. Alright, let's hear this. Nice crunch. Should be nice crunch. I did burn the other side a little bit. It's okay. Alright, a little hot. Time to taste. Hot. Now, I think this would be good on an actual grilled cheese, but we're out of bread. That's why I'm doing it this way. And also if you don't burn it. But it's not bad. And the garlic flavor doesn't really come through though. So I'm a little disappointed. You know when you make a grilled cheese with mayonnaise instead of butter? I'm disappointed about that. I don't know what I was expecting, to be honest. I think I was expecting more garlicky, buttery goodness, but it's not a garlic butter, it's a garlic aioli, so. But other than that, it's not too bad. Just don't mind the burntness. Yeah, okay. Huh. I won't do it again, but it was alright.
3 hours later.
So I thought I heard a knock, knock, knock at our front door. Hello, kitty. Your face is all wet. But I didn't. I mean, I kind of did. It was Russ. He was like knocking something, shoes or something. So he's gonna shovel what little snow there is on our sidewalk. And I'm like, okay. So I took his work bag. Really, kitty? You are not out of food. If you stop making such a big mess, you'd have all kinds of food in your dish. Oh my gosh, kitty. Where'd you go? I don't know. But I need to put litter. I got cat litter. I need to put it in her bucket. I keep forgetting. There's that. Okay. Yeah, where'd that cat go? Oh, meow. There you are. Okay, I'm gonna get you treats. I got treats. Okay. Meow. Meow. We're gonna do this downstairs. Yes. Okay. I got your treats. Oh, I got them. Is she gonna try and climb? I don't think so. Meow. Alright. Alright, kitty. I'm going down. Yeah, I'm going downstairs. You can't stop me. Do you want treats? That's my finger. Here's one. Go downstairs. She will follow me. See? Here she comes with me. Come on down, kitty meow meow. I got lots of treats. 2, 3, 4, 8. Just getting 9 treats. It's a lot of treats, yes. Well, you can come closer. Okay, enjoy. Yep, that's all you get. She says, well, goodbye then.
Later.
So Russ was actually cleaning out his room a little bit. His office, whatever thing. This is a drawer or whatever. It broke. He brings the pieces out and he asks me, are you gonna want this for anything? What am I gonna do with a broken ass drawer? Why would I want that? I gotta go upstairs. So anyway, like I was saying, what in his brain made him think, this is definitely something my wife could get use out of. A broken ass drawer. Empty, plastic, broken ass. What am I gonna use that for? Seriously, like, is he the only, he can't be the only one who thinks that way. There has to be, like, why would you think I would want that? I don't know. Men, not all men, a lot of men. I'm sure he was just like, let me be nice or something. But it's like this. It's broken. I have never once refurbished something broken. Never ever, once ever in my life. Never with you. We've been together for 15 years or something. Almost 16 years, I think. Yeah, about 16 years. So, why now would I want something broken? I don't want anything broken. Okay, so on that lovely note, it was great. I was watching Manifest today. It's on Netflix, and I'm on the last season, I believe. Ugh. Yeah, I think there's only 4 seasons. Anyway, I'm on the last season. It's quite interesting. So if you don't know anything about Manifest, let me try and clue you in here. So a bunch of people went on a plane, flight 828. And the plane disappeared. But the people on the plane didn't feel like it disappeared. It was just like they went in the plane, they landed, everything was fine. But when they landed, they are met with like a whole bunch of security and questioning, and then they figure out that they've been gone for 5 years. They've actually been gone for 5 years. And life's changed over 5 years and a bunch of different things, and then the government wants to investigate them. Let's pick out clothes for tomorrow. Government wants to investigate them and study the 828ers, because how did they get back? Then what happened and stuff. People die, people get murdered. I think I'm going to wear these. They're just stretchy and comfortable. And I gotta figure out what shirt should I wear is the question. I don't know. Yeah, so the 828ers in the flight, and so they're going through trying to figure out, like, they end up, the 828ers, which is what they're calling the people who come back from the flight, they start getting what they're calling callings. I would just say they're seeing visions, and they go follow the vision, and it saves a life, or it saves somebody from something, or answers a question, or whatever. So they're doing good, but the government's like, no, you can't do that. So in this last season I've been watching, they were locked. They ended up locked in some kind of facility to be studied and stuff like that. You know, like Auschwitz, but not that, not Auschwitz. That is a terrible analogy. Terrible comparison. It is not Auschwitz. It's like a detention center. Okay. Sorry. So yeah, they get studied, and some get out, and some are not captured, and just a lot of different things. And there's like a sapphire or something that makes people glow. A couple of people got the sapphire embedded in them, and they still have callings after some weird thing happened. And well, the one has callings, or is able to access callings, and I don't know, it's a lot that goes on in this show. It's interesting, but I don't like how they made it very end of days judgment, good versus evil, and light and dark, and I don't know, every story has it, but they made it like really God complex, and I'm like, I don't really like that. I don't like that part of it, but I'm still watching it. So, you know, whatever. I'm invested. You know, you watch a show for so long, I invested. Like the show Lost, I'd watched it for so long, and then I'm like, well, I'm lost. Because it was craziness, that show. All right, well, anyways, I got pants, and I know what shoes I'm going to wear. But I have to figure out what shirt. Okay, I think I know what sweatshirt. Anyway, have yourself a good night. Tomorrow is Thursday, so I'll see you tomorrow. Doodles. I need